Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Learn with Dr. Ibrar. Today I am going to give you a tip that if you have a multiple tables and how you can merge the data of all these tables into a one table. Like in currently I have a five different tables and I have a different data in five different tables and I want to get all the data in one table. So you can do it very easily. So let's get started. What you have to do, let's suppose I have a different five tables and each five table is showing that I'm getting some data from different countries, like I have data from China, from US, from India, Pakistan, UAE, Japan, and so on. So it can be your supply or it can be your distribution or anything. So you have a different customers or you can divide into different months, it's up to you. So I have a data for different countries, like I'm importing the data from China, I mean items from China, and I'm importing items from USA, from India, from Pakistan, UAE, and Japan. But I want to consolidate all that data into a one table. So how I can do that? I'll click on items, I'll go to data, then I will click on this icon. So a dialog box will be appear. So here I have to give the reference tables from where I need to get the data. So my first reference table is this one. So I'll select this table and I'll click on add. Then I'll select the second table. I'll click on add. I'll click second table, third table, I'll add the fourth table, I'll just add here, the fifth table, I'll add, and the last and the fifth table, I will add. So don't forget to check these top row and left column. So after that, just click on OK. You can see my data is imported from different tables into a one table. It's just as a consolidated table. So here also you can, if you want, you can um, sum up all the data from different countries into a one. Here simply we can use a sum formula or another key, another shortcut you can use. So you can get how much total supply you have from different countries. So that's so easy that you have multiple tables, you can consolidate into a one table. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos.